It's not longer, for the records, my name is Right Honorable Evans. I once represented the Ogu-Bolo constituency for 12 years. Today, Governor found me so worthy. Out of 1 million persons in Ogu-Bolo, and asked me to man the affairs of the local government area. It's no longer a news or a rumor that Ogu-Bolo is the most peaceful local government area in Rivers State, if not the entire Nigeria at large. It's there for people to see, and the local government itself is there to attest to himself. Ogu-Bolo is the most peaceful, and I'm going to sustain that peaceful coexistence. I make sure we carry everybody along, irrespective of the party you belong, because one will say simplified movement, Rivers first. We are talking about thinking about the people, not our personal interests. It is the people we are talking about. The governor is after the people, and I'm going to reciprocate same to my local government area. Because when you think of the people, you think of development, you think of peace, you think of other things that will make the place look so governable. I can assure you, as a mouthpiece of the people, because the press is a mouthpiece of the people, that Ogu-Bolo is going to be more peaceful like ever. And we are going to carry everybody along as being directed by the governor. Thank you so much.
I am Ambassador Marvin Yobana, the caretaker committee chairman for Cana Local Government area. Well, for me, the governor of Rivers State, Sir Similaye Fubara, has simplified governance in the state. And his mantra is the people first. So in Cana Local Government, it's the same mantra we are using. Those projects, those things that concern our people, how to empower our people, how to ensure that our people are happy with governance, how our people can make input into governance. That is what we are about, to ensure that there's peace and security, and the basic responsibility of government is to provide the necessary environment for lives and property to strive, and to ensure that we protect lives and property. And that is what we are going to do in Cana. We are going to work with the security agents, we are going to work with the community leaders, both the youths and the elders, the CDC. We are going to work with all stakeholders to ensure that Cana is fully simplified first. Secondly, that the needs of our people are met, and that whatever the yearnings of our people are, we bring it to the government at the center. So this is what I'm going to do in Cana. We don't have anybody that's either we are saying this one is our enemy or not. Sir Fubara's government is open for all. It's a simplified movement for all the people of Rivers State. So definitely we are not looking at party barriers in this. We are not looking at ethnic barriers. Those who live and do business in Cana, even if you are not from Cana Local Government, you are welcome to come in and make input, and we are going to ensure that whatever we can do as a council, we are going to do it.
First of all, I want to appreciate His Excellency for this wonderful opportunity being given to me. And I also want to thank my people for giving me the opportunity to serve them. As you all know, the governor is a peace-loving man whose watchword is peace. On that same note, we want to carry on as being appointed as the caretaker chairman of Tai LGA. It's our utmost desire that our people enjoy the peace they've enjoyed over the years. And I also want to call on our people to remain peaceful and resolute, without minding the level of intimidation we've gotten from the other side. And as we assume office, we work out templates and all it takes to ensure that peace and stability is in the LGA.
I want to thank the Almighty God for the privilege of being, taken among the millions in Rivers State, particularly my local government, where we have so many broadened politicians. Yet I was unanimously taken by my people. My duty is very simple. I'm going to support the agenda of His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. One is to make sure that there is peace in my local government. We will maintain that. Again, is to reach out to my people. We know that there are too many areas that are calling for attention. We will look at it. By the special grace of God, I've worked in Ikwerre local government as the last chief of staff of Ikwerre local government. So I understand the plight of my people, and I will attend to them, God willing. My prayer is that this opportunity that is given to me, for me, is going to be cherished, is going to be held with two hands. I will not play with it. And my loyalty will be to my people and the people of Rivers State. Well, in political settings, people are bound or people are allowed to have individual differences. That is why we are a family, discussing all in what we believe. As long as I'm concerned, I will do everything to reach any person that will be willing to make sure we come back so that we can face our common political opponents. We don't have a problem. Misunderstanding can arise in a family. And by the special grace of God, we talk to people. There is no need killing each other. There is no need fighting. We are one people. We are one brothers. Our duty is to make sure that there is peace and harmony in River State so that there could be rapid development, just like the governor is doing. The governor has been adjudged as one of the best in Nigeria. So the only way we can achieve that is to give him support and dedication in the call to service. So I will reach out to people by the grace of God.
Let me say, for the first charge is, it has been our obligation to the fact that without peace we can do nothing. In as much as my nationality promises during my first tenure is concerned, the number one on that list was peace and security. I can assure you that peace is our watchword, which we are going to work towards it. And to also put it on record straight, Opobo Nkoro has been the most peaceful local government in Rivers State that stands to be challenged. So I can assure you we'll continue to maintain that peaceful atmosphere. For empowerment, I think this is a little case of test because it is an interim or a caretaker this in a committee. I believe our watchword is to see how we can also alleviate the suffering of our people. We know the economic challenges this time around in the country, and we believe this is an opportunity to reach out to people. We have done enough on human capital development, on infrastructural development. I think we should talk about stomach infrastructure this time around.
I am Princess Ibiene Ogan, Caretaker Committee Chairman, Okrika Local Government. Today is the day we've been screened as well as sworn in for us to take on our official duties and roles. We're going to take on the charge. I especially and all my members are going to take on the charge, especially as His Excellency directed. We're going to create an atmosphere of peace, so important to His Excellency, peace, peace and peace, as well as prosperity and everything for our people. In my LGA, I'm called the mother of children. The reason is because every year I do 500 children back to school, giving them free school bags, books, and certain things that they need for their school life. So children, this is your enjoyment time because I'm going to focus a lot on the children development.
The truth is that the directive was given is total peace. That is what we want in Rivers State, because the whole world is looking at us. Our Excellency is performing. Everybody is seeing it. It's not by anything, but it's by the grace of God. It's wisdom that directs. So we all that are under him, we have to go to our various LGA to ensure that we keep peace and develop the local government. Thank you and God bless you.
Just wait.